What is up, YouTube? What is poppin'? It's your girl Angel Sky, and I'm coming at you with another banger video. And on today's video, I am going to be installing this beautiful unit from Tuneful, which is an AliExpress company. This is a 13 by 6 HD transparent 613 blonde lace front unit and 24 inches, 180% density. This video is not at all sponsored. I paid my own money for this hair. I paid $159 and the hair came extremely quick. I think it came in around 3 days, and I actually had to tone the knots, tone the hair, and also pluck the unit. If you're interested in how I achieved that look, then go ahead and head over to my next video, which will show you exactly how I customized this unit. So I'm just going in with my Bold Hold Active for oily skin. I actually really like this glue thus far. I just started using it, and this glue kept my wig on all Mardi Gras, so it's getting a 10 in my book so far. I'm going in with about 4 layers and making sure that I let each layer dry in between. So y'all, I use those little dots to use as a cursor for where I actually want my wig to lay, because I'm very particular about where I want it to lay. So that just helps me remember where I initially wanted to lay and where I placed the glue. Now you want to just press that lace into your skin with a comb, something metal. You guys, please excuse my voice. I still have morning voice because I just woke up not too long ago and I'm trying to go ahead and get this video out for you guys. So yeah, sorry my voice sounds a little weird. My brother's so funny. He says whenever I wake up, he said, "Why you be trying to sound like a man?" I don't I don't do it on purpose. It's literally just what happens when you wake up. Like, it takes time for your voice to readjust to how it normally sounds. I'm going to leave this band on for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to come back to you guys once I take it off. Now you want to cut that lace as jagged as you possibly can. That way it's not as easily detected by the naked eye. But I would say this lace is pretty good. Like, transparent is not as hard to work with. It's not as easy to work with as HD lace, but it wasn't too bad. The lace on this wig was pretty decent. Now I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active to lay down any pieces that the glue did not catch. Now I'm going to go in with some cream foundation by Ruby Kiss, and then after that I'm going to place a little bit of spritz on top to kind of blend it out. And then I'm going to place my band on there again for an additional 10 minutes.
I've heard it all. Our conversations. Picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by.
Make sure to clean up any excess residue or extra glue that you might need to clean up to make the install look really neat. But usually the next day it starts to blend into the skin a little bit better anyway. I just realized not too long ago, when doing a side part, you have to make it in like a C shape, and then also take out some of your baby hairs into the part in order for it to look right. So just a quick little tip for you guys. You want this thing flat, so get in there with your edge stick and make sure that everything is extremely flat. Now I am going to go in with my 19 millimeter, which I think is 3/4 wand curler, because I want some like Marilyn Monroe looking curls for the ball tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys in a second the finished product and how it looks. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Wait till you guys see the finished product. It is so cute. Okay, bye.